So here is a potential trade that you can take on Euro USD on your demo account in the following week, the week of 9-4 till 9-9. I'm anticipating the opportunity for this trade to be either Tuesday or Wednesday. So, looking at the weekly on the euro, we see our SIBI got respected beautifully on Friday, along with the inversion fair value gap, finding respect at about the quarter level. Now, what we anticipate for this current following week is respect to the inversion fair value gap and continuing to the downside towards sell side liquidity. I am not expecting us to trade to wooden through it um, and close below this level of sell side liquidity, which is at 1.06351. So I am not expecting us to close below it. To trade through it, I am using this as the drawn liquidity, but I am not expecting us to reach to it or trade through it. It is just my next drawn liquidity on the weekly candle. On the weekly chart. Moving down to the daily, um, there is the sell side liquidity from the weekly, and here I will be explaining the Model 2022, um, potential entry you can be using. So, as you can see, on Friday we have again taken out buy side liquidity over here from this high, and we have gone below this inversion fair value gap. We are now attacking this current level of sell side, which I have marked with BOS my as I want to see break of structure once we get below the level. So I want us to get break of structure that I am anticipating to see in order for retracement later into the fair value gap, which I will enter off of. Right over here on the left side, we have a short-term low along with a daily order block at the exact same level as the short-term low. So once we hit these levels, the short-term low gets broken, or if we find dead support at the order block, I'm anticipating us to retrace back up into this SIBI fair value gap, which will be used as the entry to go short using the Model 2022 strategy. Buy sides taken, down, break of structure, retracement back up, entry off the fair value gap, stop loss at the top of it, or swing high, and attacking sell side liquidity. Where is sell side liquidity? Right here. Why is it sell side liquidity? It's intermediate term low, along with many short term, I mean, relative equal lows. If we look at the daily um, for not okay, that's the trade setup, right? I will look for this trade either Tuesday or Wednesday. I want to see Monday really have that break of structure. I know Monday is a bank holiday, so we probably won't see much movement on Monday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, we're going to see most of our move breaking these lows and or tracing. Wednesday, I anticipate the entry possibly Wednesday London. Okay, and now I will talk about swing projections for um, targets for the week and for the weeks ahead because I believe the month of September is bearish and we are just going straight down. So if we take our relative buy side right here, and sell side, relative sell side over here, where we anticipate break of structure, and we put the other side of the Fibby over here, which would be our buy side liquidity that was broken, we can look at swing projections from there. So if we look down at 2.5, 2.5 would give us these relative equal lows, almost to the exact on the almost exactly to this low. And that is my long-term sell-side liquidity target. So this would be what you're looking at for as a trade for the next following week, or at least this is what I'm looking for as a short-term swing trader. And you can find your entry between 7 to 10 a.m. New York kill zone, most likely, or London, one of the two. I would just set a limit order for it at the bottom of this fair value gap and not worry about it. But that is the trade setup that I have for you guys. And for an extra confirmation from the dollar on the weekly, we're looking to take out this buy side right here. We have CE of this premium wick to target. And we just created this order block. We retested a previous weekly order block on Wednesday. We continued higher off of that. Another order block that we will potentially retest now or continue off of. We got buy side up here. We got an imbalance here. We are bullish, man. We are bullish on the dollar, and therefore we are heavily bearish on euro. We got all these lows to take out before the end of the year. Thank you for watching, and that's it, guys. Thank you.